Hello and welcome to the Ultimate HTML Developer. In this course, we're going to be starting your web development journey with HTML. So chances are you are interested in building something on the internet. And if you are, then you definitely need to know HTML to some degree. Now we're going to be going through just about everything in HTML, including HTML5. We're going to have a task at the end of almost every single video so you can get some hands-on experience. There's going to be a little project at the end. And we're just going to take things nice and slow so you don't have to feel overwhelmed or confused about where to start or anything like that. Now this course is purely HTML. There is no CSS, so we're not going to make things look really nice. We're not going to be writing any JavaScript at all. So if you're looking for a JavaScript course, this is not it. This is just purely HTML. And again, this is the beginning of your web developer journey. Everybody has to absolutely start here. Now these videos can be somewhat compact. If that is an issue, don't forget you can always slow down your player. I do highly recommend that you watch every single video, even if you already know about a subject, watch it anyways. You might pick up on something new. It's good practice. And again, there's a task at the end of almost every single video for some hands-on experience. So that is a really good way to take this course. And lastly, if you have any questions while you're taking this course, you can always ask them directly to me in the comment section down below. Congratulations on starting your web development journey, and I look forward to seeing you inside.